we will go to from the one region of mountain to the other part, to the Kupwara, Kashmir area, where Ishtaq and Isfaq have also traveled far to reciprocate our journey that we did in June. So we'll hear from them.
Respected Professor Kaushik Basu, Dr. Prashant Giri, President Nanritam, and all the other dignitaries, good evening. When the bright-minded people have met on a platform trying to remove the social, cultural, and economic barricades and bring all the people on the path of development, I feel pleasure to present myself in front of the most talented, most bright minds of the world. I feel pleasure to see myself between the like-minded people. Dear audience, when we are trying to represent the people from the tough terrains of Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh and Kargil and other parts of the country, I would like to say that I am from the valley surrounded by the highest mountain peaks of the world. I am from the land where the springs quench the thirst of its natives. I am from the land where the Jahlim carries its tourists in its lap. I am from the land where the pheasants fly over the snow roof of the world. Dear audience, it's called the land of saints, the heaven on the earth, the Kashmir. Dear audience, we being the residents of rural area and having experience of working with the rural area people, their children had gone through tough time, though that may be climatic, social and economic. We managed to get up for us and for our society. We struggled to strive, but we kept heads high, and the history is witness of our intelligence and capacity. The first Prime Minister of independent India, Mr. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and had his ancestors from Kashmir. The great economist, the most humble, intelligent Prime Minister of India, Mr. Manmohan Singh. The all-time great poet of undivided India, Mr. Sir Muhammad Iqbal, all had their ancestors from Kashmir. The great renowned Islamic scholar, Mr. Maulana Anwar Shah Kashmiri, was the son of this Kashmir valley. So I must say, what the thing is why I am saying these things is that I must say our children are comparatively much brave, more intelligent and more talented. But there are somewhere the pages of shyness, feeling of inferiority complex resident in most minds of our rural area people. Our institutes might lack well-designed multi-story buildings, but they produced IS toppers. We might lack highly equipped playgrounds, but we still raised medal winners at national and international levels. We don't lack the passion and thirst to learn. This point may be witnessed by our 2,358 kilometer long journey by road, taking almost 60 hours to reach here for our children and for our children. And I think our children, these children, are not next to the creative minds. For us, the need of hour is that the like-minded people have to work in positive manner and find the ways to reach bright minds at earliest with best teaching aids, methods, and economic teaching aids actually, to delete the pages of shyness from the minds of children, to bring them at par with the students learning at high-class institutes of the nation. Concluding with the lines, don't look at the foot blisters for now. This is just the beginning of journey. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Again, I mean, we all know the paradise of the earth of Kashmir and all. We all grew up hearing that. We witnessed that, and the children are beautiful. Children are beautiful all over, and there is no smart corner. We believe you're as talented as any children there are, and creating opportunity and opportunities. That's all we can do, and we'll do that together. Thank you.